WordPress is a website creation platform that many businesses use for e-commerce. People choose WordPress because it's flexible, robust, and capable of handling complex sites. It can also scale if your business grows. Why choose WordPress? You have access to thousands of WordPress plugins to customize your site. You can control costs by choosing your hosting provider and plugins. You have more control over SEO capabilities. WordPress lets you translate sites into unlimited languages, each with its own currency. You can set up multiple sites under one account with the multi-site feature. Note, WordPress comes in two versions, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. This article refers to WordPress.org. Comparing Shopify versus WordPress side by side. Web hosting. A reliable web hosting service keeps your site online and running smoothly. Shopify is fully hosted. It stores all your files and data. This is convenient, but limits your ability to access server logs and debug issues.